Well, hey there, my friend. I am super excited to share with you my online course, Sketch Extravaganza. I have developed this course to help you get you sketching, give you a good start, and hopefully a habit that you will follow. Now, in this course, you can pick whatever brand of marker that you choose to use. I go over that in the course. I have a lot of information about the different brands. And then you can pick whether you decide to put your sketches inside a sketchbook, or maybe you go loose leaf, such as these, like I do. It's going to be your decision on how you do that. But there are 10 sketches for you to go through. I have cloudscapes, landscape, canyon, tree scenes, all of those things, and they're all done in the grayscale, the black and white. So when you finish this, you will have practiced 10 grayscale marker sketches, and I trust that you're going to grow and learn a lot, and you're going to end up with some beautiful sketches at the same time. Let me take you for a little sneak peek inside the course. Welcome to Sketch Extravaganza. In this online course, there are 10 detailed step-by-step black and white value sketches to help you grow as an artist. In this sketch, I did grid my paper and I am using a lead pencil to get my drawing on. Now I picked up the 60%. %. Want to take this one just a little bit darker. That bottom horizon cloud. There you have it. That's a 4x5 sketch. Okay, so I'm coming to you from my drawing board. So when we look at these proportional scales, or I call it the proportional wheel quite often, it's two wheels, one moves on top of the other. I'm just suggesting some small trees, and I'm just really using my 80% right now just to kind of get things in there. And I'm going to go ahead and give myself this horizon line. I'm going to jump up and grab my 60. At my photo, maybe I want to design just a little bit more up here. There are a few broken clouds coming off of some of this,